Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. My name is Shannon, and I'm offering out a daily guided meditation. My practice every day, I'm recording, and then I'm putting it out there for you as a resource during this time of quarantine and isolation to just help you get through. And these are simple techniques. These are accessible for everyone. And the topic of the day just really depends on what I feel like I need for the day when I sit down. And we've had a full day of family celebration, and it's been really exciting. And it's the end of the day. My energy is still a buzz in my mind, and everything's still like kind of happy and excited. So, what I need to do today before I settle down to try to go to sleep is to just kind of release some of that out. Just kind of ground out that energy into the floor, out into the universe, so that my mind, my energy will be a little calmer and more settled as I go down to sleep tonight. If you're new to these meditations, you only need two things. You need a comfortable seat, and that can just be in a chair if you want, or it could be on a meditation cushion, it could be outside on the ground in your patio chair, wherever you feel you can be alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes, and then a place with as few distractions as possible. A little harder to come by these days. If you have your comfortable seat and your place to meditate, then let's get started. And I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And notice what it feels like to breathe. The physical act of breathing. And then check your posture. Make sure your spine is tall. Your shoulders are a little bit back and open. This opens up the lungs here and the stomach to breathe fully. And if you tuck your chin a little bit, it opens up the windpipe so you can get as much breath, the most comfortable breath that you can. And then check in with your mind and see what its quality is like right now. Is your mind pretty calm and still, or is it abuzz with thoughts? And then a little bit more esoteric then, and check in with your energy and see how it feels today. And that's a little harder to pinpoint, but it's kind of like your mood. And if this doesn't come naturally for you, you can't really pinpoint the feeling of your energy, then that's totally okay. Just continue to sit with your mind and your breath for another couple of breaths. My mind is a swirling, and so is my energy, just kind of a buzz from the excitement of our family celebration. And it's like static electricity on a balloon. And to be able to sleep, I'm just going to need to release that. So I'm going to do that with breath. And what you'll do is you'll take a deep inhale, and on your exhale, you'll just picture it all either settling down into the ground beneath you or floating away on your breath into the universe. So take a deep breath in and then release. In, release. Do that about 5 more times. And come back to your regular breathing for a minute. And we'll do that breathing again 5 more times. Inhale really deeply, and then on exhale, release it all out into the earth or the universe. And then come back to your regular breathing for another minute. And then final round, we'll do this 5 more times. Breathe in and then release on exhale. Come back to normal breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for this quick meditation, and I hope you found it useful. And this is a really good one if you tend to pick up external energies, if you are empathic in any way, if you, say, go to the grocery store and come back with the energy and the heaviness of others. It's a really good way to shake that out of your energy, to get that off of you, and to get back to your own, energy system. I hope that you have a wonderful night, relaxing evening, good sleep, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.